B&B Dental is a family-run business, and they treat every client as a part of a real family. About B&B Dental, we have to say that it's unique, as I was saying, the way they treat their clients. And you can feel it every time that you need to go the extra mile, that you need to do something more. B&B Dental is ready to support you, and they have an answer to every need that every doctor has.
Really, in the prosthetic part, I like the cold weld between the abutments and the implant itself. I found it very nice. Also, the system is very easy. The surgical kit of this system is very easy to use, and all options are there. You can do everything with the surgical kit. It's really a very nice system, I can say.